Oh, ain't that cool? How you folks? How y'all doing? Welcome back, and old man. We are at, I keep on saying we're at the Ooni. This thing is exactly like a Ooni, except it's called a MeetGrill. Does the same exact thing, and it's a lot cheaper. So I'll leave the link down below. Did the review video on it, made a pizza and I burned it. So I need some redemption. And one of the things I wanted to try is I wanted to get it as hot as it goes. And this said it had, the thing goes over 900 degrees, and I proved that because you can't cook it. You can't cook a pizza at 900 degrees. Well, at least I can't cook a pizza at 900 degrees. Maybe you can, but on this thing, it does have an adjustable gas on it. And I got it, you can see where I got it set. I got it set at about quarter. And I'm hoping it don't get smoking hot like it did last time, because I like a burnt pizza not that much. So I tell you what, we're gonna make our pizza at a time. I've got a couple fans out there that aren't fans of Jiffy Mix for the dough, and so if you're one of those fans, I just want to warn you ahead of time. I'm going to be using Jiffy Mix, so you might want to turn it off right now. But let's go make up our Jiffy Mix, make up our pizza pie, our 12-inch, and we're gonna put it on the meat grill, and we're gonna try and redeem ourselves. All right, we've been on for about 10 minutes here. Like I said, I got it set at like quarter. And right at the front here, we're in the 400s already. We go toward the back, and it's definitely not 900. We definitely don't want the 900s. But we got obviously hotter toward the back than it is toward the front. And a lot of people keep asking me, Tom, is there going to be a mod? Is there going to be mod? Are you going to put a turntable in there and make that thing turn? Oh boy, I'll tell you what. My mind is thinking about it, because I don't think it'd be overly difficult. I got to find some stuff, but yeah, keep on watching. You could see a mod to this. All right, so I really don't know what people don't like about Jiffy Mix. I really like it. It's very forgiving. I always have the tendency, it calls for a half cup of water per box, and I always have a tendency to put a little bit too much in it, and it's just a matter of just adding some flour, and it works out really easy. And I'm not a pizza dough guy, so for me to say this is easy, it's easy. All right, pepperoni and cheese, let's put her on. All right, it's on. Give you a look-see. Like 30 seconds and it's already starting to sizzle all the way up front. You can turn that down a little bit more. I don't want it to burn this time. I think I'm going to try and flip it. Yeah, see, she's starting to burn a little bit already. So we got to turn it. I'm a pain in the butt. All right, we'll keep going. You're watching. All right, it went about another 30 minutes. Not 30 minutes. Yeah, there would be nothing left. I went another 30 seconds. And it's definitely turning out better this time. I think another 20 seconds and we'll be able to take it off. Well, there you go, still sizzling. That one turned out a lot better. Well, I'll have to cut into it and take a look at it. All right, there's the bottom of the crust. Not burnt, a little floppy. Let's take a taste test. Definitely hot. A lot better than last time, I'll tell you that. So we're gonna dial this in. It's possible. But you know what? Next time you see me on that, you're gonna see some cast iron in there and some steaks. Oh man, you wanna watch out for that. Tom Horsman YouTube, hope this was helpful. Thumbs up. If you like Jiffy Mix, let me know. Oh, and hey, thanks for watching.